What's up? You know me, Mark Anthony, throwing it down. You think you listen to me? Let's go. For Caesars. Yeah. Alright, yo, everybody's here to hear me speak. I'm starting to lose my voice, can't even feel my feet. I'm on the battlefield. I see my enemy staring him down, just waiting for a blink. Can't you see this? Is it the actual battle? Can't be scared when it goes down. I have to turn this all around. Time stands still, and I have flashbacks and memories. The time we shared together was my one and only fantasy. But now you're gone, and I'm the Roman's only true hope. So I promise I will avenge you and slit his throat. But in the meantime, please sit back and try to relax. Well, I end this rivalry, that's really not a fact. You see, Brutus thinks he knows me, but he don't. Asking me to surrender? Please, heck no. You see, I come to bury Caesar on this tragic day. Please hold your applause till the end of this wretched day. After all, we and fill a pipe for thrice days. Yeah, just joking. Give me some time to get the facts straight. In the meantime, let me think. Let me tell you a story. Let's see. How about the betrayal of a Roman country? Let's see. It all started back in 44 BC. Rome was ruled by the one and only Caesar, the great conqueror and one and only fearless leader. He was like a father, my daddy dearest. But enough about me, on with the story. When we went into town, he was offered a crown, but 3 times he pushed it away. Little did he know he would take it to his grave. There were some traitors in this big family, but they prefer conspirators. On the contrary, the name's too ugly to pronounce. There's Cassius, the snake, and his lovely wife, Noble Brute. Sorry about that, but let's go. Together they formed a group of traitors that would betray the one and only fearless leader. One day, my man, the soothsayer, said, "Me where the Ides of March." What? Me where the Ides of March? Man, are you speaking Greek? I said, "Me where the Ides of March." Oh, pish posh, away with you, or I'll slit your throat. Wasn't very wise to say such terrible things. I mean, come on, you might have hurt his little feelings. On with the story, let's skip ahead. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm done. Let's go. Now we're at the part where Caesar dies. Let's go. Now we're at the part where Caesar dies, stabbed to death by his deceitful family 33 times. That's more than 50 and Tupac together combined. But really what killed him was his best friend, Brutus. Stabbed him in the heart and put him to bed. Et tu, Brute? Were the last words of Caesar. I mean, who speaks French? Especially Caesar. Come on, you have to say something cool like, I don't know, Brutus. I am your father. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's a great exit. I mean, you leave me speechless. Pause, fast forward, 1, 2, 3. Now play. Now we're on the battlefield. I mean, I can't believe this bad dream is actually real. It's hard enough, my father's gone, but tonight I must battle, and avenge your ghosts, I promise I'll make them pay. Just give me hope. Now friends, Romans, and countrymen, let's go. It's a time to a slice and a dice of Cassius like a chicken in a china shop. That's what I'm talking about. English Project, word to Caesar's ghost. I'm out, see ya, Quinn, you out. G-Unit.